What's up, everybody? It's your boy Noodles. I'm kind of scrambling right now because I got to my house late. We're 4 minutes away from drop time, so the intro is going to be super short. I'm going for the anorak in medium black. I'm going to be running task on a mango cream for the crew neck. There's been a lot of card declines and high traffic errors on the EU site this morning, so I think for the anorak, I'm just going to go full manual, typing in everything, like even my credit card information, my address, and all that. I'm a pretty fast typer, so I'm not worried about that. I really want to secure the anorak. I am going for a crew neck in small, so I'm not sure how that's going to do. I might have to turn down my checkout delay so that it doesn't check out too fast, but we're just going to have to wait and see. The EU sellout times don't look terrible. I think for the black anorak in medium, I have about 30 seconds, which I'm pretty confident I can do. Apparently restocks were happening as well, so I might just run task for a restock. I'm not really sure yet. The orange and the white crew necks in small flew off the site. I think those were both under 10 seconds. The chair sat on the website for about a minute. So I think if you're going to single cart those, you should take a W as long as you don't get any errors. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and set everything up, and I'll see y'all after the live cop. What? Oh my god. Welcome back, everybody. I've changed out of my pajamas after taking that mean L on the Supreme website. I think I should have just tried to use my autofill because manually typing it was too slow. I think that anorak I was going for sold out in 30 to 35 seconds. So I think that I could have gotten it if I was faster, but I was really worried it was going to get card decline, so I took the L. I was running mango cream for the first time. One of the tasks got card declined, and then the other one, for some reason, it wouldn't add to cart, or like it wouldn't check out after it added it to cart. Don't know what was going up with that. I get in this bad habit of focusing too much on like my bot setups and not focusing enough on the manual setup. SwiftSoul actually did decent this week, so maybe I'll just start using that because that's a little bit easier to use in my opinion than mango cream. But regardless, I want to thank you all for 1,500 subscribers. Pretty much since the pandemic happened, I've been grinding YouTube videos on the side while I go to school and work full and part-time. So the channel's grown a lot over the past few months. I've tried numerous times over the past few years to get back into YouTube, but I really stuck with it this year, and we got 200 subscribers in about 4 months, which is pretty good in my opinion, honestly. It's very hard to exist in the YouTube scenario nowadays, so I'll take any support. Y'all killed the last video, so I wanted to make some kind of video today. The poncho is being released on my Instagram at NickNoodlesYT. All you have to do is like the photo that I posted, comment a random comment, and follow the page. I'm going to be posting like streetwear and sneaker related stuff there, as well as trying to sell some stuff. So keep a lookout on that Instagram because I am going to be selling stuff pretty much cheaper than StockX would, and I'll ship it to you a lot faster than they will. Again, I can't do international shipping. I'm really sorry. Maybe on the next giveaway. Speaking of which, I am thinking for 2,000 subscribers, we'll give away a box of Ziploc bags. So, you know, if you don't win the poncho, but you want another chance at a bigger prize, subscribe to the channel because at 2,000 we are going to give away one of these boxes of Supreme Ziploc bags. For the rest of this video, since the live cop was very short and I took an L, I just want to go over some of the week one stuff I bought and what I plan on doing with it. First, we have the playing cards. I'm keeping this in a Ziploc bag because I'm planning on selling these. So these are actually doing really well on StockX right now. They're going for like $60, I think. So by the time it's the holiday season, these should be around $100, and that's probably when I'm going to let them go. They're very, very nice. Honestly, I wish I had gotten 2 of these because it would be nice to have in the personal collection, and it'd be something I definitely use like when hanging out with friends. Moving on, we did get 3 gloves. I have one more order coming in, which was a balloon deck restock, so I might get another pair of gloves, but I'm really not sure what to do with these. I'm trying to sell them right now on Grailed. I have it listed for like 40 bucks, which I don't know if that's just like capping or if that's a fair price, honestly, but I'm probably just going to sell these because I don't really have a use for rubber gloves, honestly. Next, we have the sling bag. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger. For comparison, compared to the skate deck, as you can see, it's really not that big. It's big enough to hold my camera, which is what I wanted, but I'm happy with it. I think this will look better on me than like a waist bag, and I really like the Supreme hits on here. We have a small box logo on the front, and then on the side, these little like hoops or hooks or loops or whatever, they have Supreme on it. So yeah, this is a very, it's also Cordura, so it's probably going to last a decent amount of time. On the inside, there's one pocket, not really much in there. The inside actually has like Supreme branding as well. And then on the other pocket, by the way, I can't even tell if y'all can see like what I'm seeing here. You have another big pocket, and there's like a little elastic strap in here. So not a bad bag, honestly. I'm definitely keeping this for the personal, just because I don't have any Supreme bags, so this will be nice to have. Next, we have probably the best purchase from week 1. We have the pink camo deck. This thing is fire. I've been displaying it on my shelf up there, but because of the resale prices on them, this is around like 150 to 160. I definitely got to let this go. I think by the end of the season, I'll let it go. Hopefully, it'll be around 200, 250. So that'll be like pretty much triple or quadruple what I paid for it. I have the balloon deck coming in, so I think I might just display that one instead. But yeah, this is just a really solid piece, and I'm very glad I got this. I think the 2 items that are reselling the best from that week 1 drop were the playing cards and this deck, and I'm surprised I got that in one cart. Next, we have the Jet Tee. This is a personal piece, mainly because red colorway is kind of brick, and this design is just super fire. I've already worn this shirt like twice. But yeah, this is definitely a nice piece. I wish I had gotten one of the Jet decks, but it is what it is. Maybe we'll get lucky on a restock, but probably not. Lastly, we have the Pharaoh Sanders tee. This is just a super clean t-shirt, honestly. The print quality is really good. I've already washed it, and there's no cracking on it whatsoever. I don't really like to wear shirts that aren't washed because that's just kind of nasty to me. And they also just be really itchy. But yeah, it'll be... Hopefully, you know, after a few wears, this shirt doesn't like completely crumble on me. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Again, check out my Instagram page. I'm going to be picking a comment at noon tomorrow on Instagram Live. So if you want to be there to see if you won or not, definitely tune in. Again, I don't know how often I'm going to do these live cops, but if y'all keep destroying my dropless reviews, then I might just have to come through every week. But again, thank you all for watching. Thank you for 1,500 subscribers, and I'll see you on the next video.
Filipino crew know how I do. See me out in Raleigh, I be ballin' at my school.
He be ballin'.
Computer engineering, man, that shit is hard.
Real hard.
Ignoring all the side chicks as I'm strolling through the yard, flipping on